Hello everyone, welcome to Car Spotter Belgium. I'm Thibaut and this is the Volvo V60. The version we have here is the T6 Recharge. In this video I will do a walk around the car, show you the inside, and later on I will take you for a drive in this beautiful Volvo. So, as you may know, the T6 Recharge is a plug-in hybrid with a 2-liter 4-cylinder petrol engine delivering 253 horsepower and 350 Newton meters of torque at its peak of 5,500 RPM. Together with a 144 horsepower and 309 Newton meters of torque electric motor, it will deliver a total of 345 horsepower and 659 Newton meters of torque on all four wheels. This car just weighs under 2.1 tons, and so it will have a weight distribution of around 5.9 kilograms for each horsepower. This car starts at 61,000 euros here in Belgium for this particular one, the V60 T6 Recharge. So the one we have here is painted in Thunder Grey, which I think in person is a perfect color for this car. So in combination with the black grille and the black details everywhere, it's a perfect combination for the V60. We also have these 19-inch wheels with Michelin Primacy 4 on it. They are 235 by 40 and of course R19 at all four wheels, which give a perfect grip while driving. So let us take a look at the boot. It of course has a automatically opening boot lid, which is very handy. You can also open it with your foot underneath. So the charging cable is in here, but we see a 529 liters boot space here, and it can be extended with the rear seats folded down to 1441 liters, so you get something stored in here. So let me close the boot again by pushing the button here, and taking a look at the driver's side. When we open the door here, we see a beautiful leather interior, black leather interior. These kind of sporty seats, they give a lot of support when driving. They are electrically adjustable. You got this lovely higher center mid-console. So let's take a minute to watch all the details about this interior. So let me now take you for a drive and give you some more information about driving this Volvo V60. So about this Volvo V60, I need to say it is a very smooth car. You got this 8-speed automatic, which really shifts very smoothly, such as actually the changing between the electric motor and the petrol engine. If the dashboard isn't telling me that the petrol engine is restarted, I didn't even notice it. You don't hear it, you don't feel the change between the two. So I really need to say that Volvo really got the knowledge to build these hybrid cars. So as I've mentioned, it has 350 horsepower, and Volvo claims that it can do a 0 to 100 in 5.5 seconds, which is of course really fast for a car this size. You also got the option for the T8, so that's the biggest version you can get in here. That one has 455 horsepower and can manage the 0 to 100 in 4.6 seconds, if I'm right. So, but in person I don't really need that. This is more than enough. I hope to manage a acceleration in a moment, and I will immediately show you something else that's about the driving modes in here. So you get constant all-wheel drive. So normally he is doing the electric driving for the rear wheels and the petrol engine for the front wheels. But if you select this mode, he will constantly, of course, constantly activate the four-wheel drive system. So I will do a quick acceleration here. I will change to power. As you can see, it is ridiculously fast. It immediately shifts back like it should, and it shoots away. It's mind-blowing. This is more than enough to drive your family around. You got a lot of space in here. Can't say anything more about this. This is just perfect. So we go back to hybrid mode, which, as they mentioned here, everyday use. Yeah, and there it will change constantly between the electric motor and the petrol engine. So a great setting to drive every day. What do we have more here? So the individual mode, yeah, you can, as it mentions, individual mode, you will get your own settings there for the driving. And the power mode, we just showed it. It's the most aggressive setting. It will use all the power it has. So if you want to go really fast, maybe another thing I can share with you is about the battery pack. So it's an 11.6 kilowatt hour battery pack, and Volvo claims that it can do a 87 kilometers fully electric, and I need to say we can really manage to do 80 kilometers fully electric. But in comparison with other brands, that's not bad at all, because the RS is going. Because in comparison with the other brands, which can hardly do 50 kilometers, so this one is really good. So we also have this glass roof here above me. You can open it a little bit. Wait, let me first stop here. I think that would be a little bit safer. Voila. So you can actually open it like this to get some fresh air in here. Yeah, this roof is really big actually. I really recommend that. It gives you a free feeling. Pretty cool. But anyways, I think that's everything I wanted to tell and share with you about this Volvo It's a perfect family car if you ask me. Yeah, I leave that to you. That's all the information I wanted to give you about this one. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video or enjoyed the video, please do like it and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of these similar reviews about the upcoming cars. And nothing rests me anymore than thanking you for watching, and I hope I see you next time. Bye.